Hello students, welcome to our today's class. Today we're going to work with Intermediate 1, Unit 2A, okay? So we're going to learn how to point at some objects to say, ese auto, ese perro, este lápiz, esas personas. So we're going to see that, okay? So pay attention here. So, and what we have here, for example here, we have the words that we use to point at objects, to mention some objects, okay? So for example, here we have the first one that is, please repeat, this. So I say, this pencil, okay? One. Here we have another one. What's the difference? Plural. And we say, these pencils. These pencils, okay? Please repeat, these. Okay? Repeat, this, these. Can you see the difference here? Esta es una I más larga, okay? One more time, repeat, this, these, okay? Good, very good. So what can we see here? This pencil, one. These pencils, two or more. In this case, what can we see here? That they are near, cerca, okay? Because I have them here, we say, this, for example, I say, this marker, I have one, and I say, these markers, in this case, with markers. Okay, let's go with the others. What can we see here in the difference? Like we can see that they are not near, they are far. For example, when we say esa casa, we say that house. Okay, let's check. Please repeat that. Okay, and we have those. Repeat, those. Okay, very good. And here we have the use. For example, in this I say that pencil. And here we say those pencils because they are far. So that is the difference in this case. For example, one more time, this is a marker. We have a marker and I say this marker. And if I have two, I say these markers, plural. Okay, if it is there, I say that marker, that. And if I have two, I say those markers, those, because they are plural and they are far, okay? So there we can see the difference. Okay, let's continue, and now we are going to check the meaning in Spanish. For example, in the case of this, we say esta, esto. Oh, sorry, no, it's the same. In this case, it should be este. For example, este. Esta, este. So that would be this. Okay, in the case of these, we say estas, estos. Okay? In the case of that, means esa, esa, ese, esa. I said the same, sorry. Esa, ese, esa. Okay. And in the case of those, that means esas, esas. Okay? So that's it. Please, repeat. This, these, that, those. Okay? Okay, now we are going to continue talking about this, these, that, and those. But now we are not going to talk about if they are near or far. We know near, far, far. Esto es tan cerca y esto es tan lejos. Okay? But now we are going to pay attention to the use of singular and plural. Singular and plural. Okay, what happens if we want to use the verb to be? If we want to use the verb to be, in this case we are going to use is and are. So it is important here. For example, when we say this, we say this is, because it's singular. And we say, these are. The same here. That is, and those are, because they are plural. For example, in this case we say, this is a marker. This is a marker, okay? Or we can also say, so we say, that is a marker. So, but in this case, it's not important if it is near or far. Aquí no estamos hablando si está cerca o está lejos, estamos hablando si es singular o plural. Y vemos que el this y el that son singulares, okay? What happened in the case of plural? For example, we say, we can use these and we have those. So in the case of these and those, we say, these are and those are markers. Okay? Ya habíamos dicho que esta A solamente se utiliza cuando es singular, porque significa una. Entonces aquí no lo utilizamos. Lo que hacemos es que le ponemos el plural. Okay, so in this case, if we use these and we use those, we use these are markers, and in the case of those, we say those are markers. Those are markers because they are plural, okay? So there we can see it again, okay? Singular, plural. Near, cerca, far, lejos, okay? So that's it. Remember that in this case we just use is or are, in the case if it is singular or plural, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget this one. Don't forget to practice and do the activity.